Hey everybody, here's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today I'm going to show you something my wife and I built over the weekend. And we have chickens. You can see it right there. So we've had chickens for about 2 years, and we have egg laying chickens, and a couple months ago we decided that we wanted to get some meat chickens, but we needed a place to put them. So we made this little chicken run for them, and we used a lot of I guess leftover materials that we've had from other projects, and so we have a total of 9 meat chickens, and so we put so this one moves around. It has wheels, which I have new wheels for. These were just taken off a grill that I had, but I ordered some on Amazon. And so the door's back here, and the door, and there they are. And we used plywood that we had left over from a project. We had the roof left over from a project. We had the only thing I bought was the 2x4s, and of course the new wheels and the handles on the bottom. So basically we picked them up from here, lift it up, roll it to a different location every 2 days so they can eat grass and bugs. So they're very happy. They're actually going to go into bags in 2 days. So this is their last, I guess, week of life, and in about 2 days we're going to eat them or package them to eat in the future. So very easy to make. You know, it's like a rectangle. I think it was a 4x8. So these 2x4s here, we didn't even cut them, and then we cut these in half, and they just made a regular rectangle frame. We made the roof on an angle so the water can slide to the side, and then we had these poles from an old fence, and what I did is I just cut them because they go into the ground. I cut them, and then we used them. We screwed right into the wood, and then we used chicken wire to go all around it. So of course this is not a long-term thing. This is temporary. They're only alive for about 8 to 9 weeks. So and then this is also a good place to if you want to hatch your own chicks. You can put your chicks here for a couple of days, couple of weeks, and then transfer them over to the normal population. I'll show you what our other chickens look like. So that's what it looks like. Everything all together, I think we spent less than $100 maybe. I spent less because I used other materials that I had at home, but everything all together came out to less than $100. So this is the coop that I made 2 years ago, and as you can see, we use the same material for the roof, same plywood, and the 2x4s, of course. And this is them. So if you like more information on exactly how many 2x4s and how many pieces of plywood and all that I use, let me know. Send me a message. And yeah, if you need any help with anything, just let me know. I hope this helps someone.